Welcome to 3063 Northwest 17th Street, located in Vista Meadows, only a block from the Dry Canyon and a couple blocks from Tom McCall and Elton Gregory. It's a great location, a triple car garage, enclosed RV parking that's over 35 feet deep for your largest RVs and trailers. There's room to fit an RV and extra vehicles on the side, UTVs or ATVs or anything of that nature. It's a good sized lot at 7,840 square feet. The home's 2,236 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, built in 2014 with central gas heat and AC. Everything's in great shape, turnkey, and ready to go. And there's really not a nicer neighborhood in town, with better access to public areas for play, good schools and services. We're close to Home Depot and everything on the north end of town that's in that complex, along with Walmart and those other areas. Now standing in the foyer at the front door, looking towards the great room, the engineered hardwoods that were pre-finished are all in beautiful condition. Straight ahead is the understair storage turned into a very well organized pantry for the kitchen. The stairs to the second level. The main floor guest bedroom, used now as an office and utilized by most as an office, has great natural light through large windows. Bypass door closet. This door leads out to the triple car garage. Then the main floor full bathroom with tub shower combination, tile floors, tile countertop, really tasteful backsplash. The kitchen with breakfast bar, tile counters. The cupboards and cabinets are all nicely upgraded. And the cabinets do have pull-out drawers in every one of these locations. All 3 of those across also have that same configuration. It's a gas range. All of the kitchen appliances come with the property. There's 9-foot ceilings here on the main floor. With excellent lighting. Lots of space for your dining room table in the dining area. And the living room is extremely spacious. Has a gas fireplace. It's just nicely laid out and extremely comfortable. Allows for many pieces of larger furniture without feeling crowded. Just an amazing main floor layout. The upstairs loft, right here between all the bedrooms, the bathroom, and the utility room. It's a nice seating area, good for another desk, a small TV, or there's lots of different uses. A small bonus area as well. The easternmost guest bedroom, currently being utilized for exercise. Lots of great natural light through those large picture windows. The second and larger of the upstairs guest bedrooms. There are 3 guest bedrooms because there's 1 on the main floor, 2 upstairs, and then the master, making 4 total bedrooms. There's a nice view through this window of the 3 sisters, and that view will not change. Today it's a little hazy because we have some prescribed burning out in the Ochkos. You can see the 3 sisters there even with that little bit of haze that's going on today. And again, that view is not going to change because all the homes are built. The upstairs guest bathroom, a tub shower combination, tile counter, and tile floor. The utility room with excellent cupboard and cabinet storage, a good folding area. It's just beautifully laid out. It also has the tile floor. And finally, the master bedroom. The master has an additional seating area. It's extremely spacious, so you can use it as a second TV room for somebody that wants to get away from the sound and busyness of the great room. That is a king-size bed with large end tables, so lots of room. The master closet is spacious, well organized, has good lighting. The master bath has a fiberglass shower enclosure, double vanity with tile countertop, a large soaker tub, great natural light. And very important, it also has a separate toilet enclosure, the water closet. Also some coffered ceilings here in the master for some architectural detail. Really functional upstairs layout, adding to what is just a great floor plan throughout. Standing on the back deck, looking at the covered portion, the current owners had that installed, all to code and permitted. The landscaping is beautiful. The privacy is second to none for the neighborhood because we have the 6-foot privacy fence with a 2-foot tall lattice on top of that, giving you 8 foot of privacy. All of that was done to code and with permits also. There's a storage shed that's 8 by 10. The hot tub is not included in the sale, but the wiring will stay. So anyone that wants to put in their own hot tub will not have to go through the trouble of putting in the 220 wiring. All of those plants are on a dripper system. There's stairs down to the lawn right here. There's 2 accesses. And then the other point of access right here. And then leading around to the RV storage, an additional vehicle storage area. Again, this is over 35 feet deep. Just for a little scale, you can see this horse trailer and all the room that there is around it. This owner has parked quads over here on the side and all kinds of different equipment. There's this quad underneath the cover. It's just a really handy space, not just for additional vehicle or RV storage, but anything else you need to get out of the way. Some really nice plants too. It's all just 100% turnkey and ready for someone to enjoy themselves without having to put in any additional work.